This week, I'm going to show you how I built these DIY acoustic sound panels. How's it going, everybody? This week, like I said, we're going to be building some acoustic sound panels. Recently, I just remodeled the room and I've left a lot of walls bare, so there was a lot of reverb happening in this room, so I needed to build some acoustic panels to try to get rid of some of that. So I went online and I did some research and I looked at the designs of some different sound panels and different materials I could use, and I decided that these panels would be the best bang for the buck in terms of how easy it is to make them and the material cost compared to what it would be to buy something of equivalent quality. And really quick before we get started, if you guys enjoy watching DIY videos and learning how to make cool stuff, make sure to go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos every single week. So I started by cutting down my 1x4s to the right lengths to make a 2x4 panel. I used some Gorilla Wood glue to make sure that my joints are strong, and I tacked the boards together using a brad nail gun. I repeated this process for each corner. To hold in the insulation, I just stretched and stapled down some screen door material and then trimmed off the edges. For my insulation, I used Safe and Sound thermal and sound insulation from Home Depot. If you guys want to check this stuff out, I will have it linked in the description. Then I added some more screen door material on the other side of the panel. I didn't get fantastic footage of this, but to cover the panels, I just stretched some fabric over them and stapled them on the back side every couple of inches or so. Then just trim off any excess. And to hang up the panels, I just used some drywall anchors and D-rings. And here are my completed panels. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in next week's video.